Welcome to CBSE Express. Today we are going to know the CBSE passing criteria for class 10. As you all know, the minimum passing marks are 33 out of 100 for all the subjects. Here, theory and practical marks are combined, but there are certain other criteria as well which you must know. Among them, let us see the first criterion. You must obtain a grade higher than E, that is minimum 33% in all subjects of internal assessment unless you are exempted. Otherwise, your result will be withheld for a period of not more than a year. That means you have to give importance to your internal assessments as well. Got it? Now let us see the passing marks for the different type of assessment. 6 out of 20 in language and elective subjects such as science, social science and maths. 10 out of 30 for subjects such as home science and NCC. And 16 or 17 out of 50 in subjects such as computer application and agriculture. Now the second criterion. You must get minimum 33% in all the 5 theory subjects in the main or the compartment or supplementary examination. Now the compartment exams are known as supplementary examinations. So don't get confused here. Now let us see the passing marks. 27 out of 80 in language and elective subjects. 23 out of 70 in subjects such as home science and NCC. 16 or 17 in subjects such as computer application and agriculture, 10 out of 30 in painting and music. What if you appear for more than 5 papers? Final result is out of 500 marks. Only 5 subjects are considered for final calculation. If a student appears for 2 language papers and fails in one, then another language subject will be considered. The same way, an elective subject can be replaced by an elective or skill subject and not language subject. That means if you fail in an elective subject, say science, but pass in 2 language subjects, then science will not be replaced by the language subject. Got it? The same way, if you pass in the elective subjects and fail in the language subject, then it won't be replaced. I hope you understand this. Now, how are marks and grades awarded? The board indicates numerical scores as well as grades in the mark sheet issued to the candidates. Now, what is the difference between numerical scores and grades? Let's see. For external examination, that is theory, 9-point scale is considered and positional grading system is used. 9 grades reflecting again marks are A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, C2, D1, D2 and E. Now E is not considered as failed but essential repeat. What is positional grading? It is different. For example, A1 means top 1/8 of the past candidates will get A1 grade in board examinations. The next 1/8 of the past candidates will get A2 grade. The next 1/8 of the past candidates will get B1 grade. Except E, which is an essential repeat. Means these students will appear for the compartment examination. Now, there are certain conditions applied. For example, even if a student scores 93 marks, for which he or she may expect A1 grade as per absolute grading system which is followed till class 9 and in class 11, she or he may get A2 grade as she or he may not be among the top 1/8 students who must have scored more than 93 marks. If 1/8 students do not get A1 grade, then a student with 89 or 90 marks won't be given A1 grade either, because he or she will be given A2 grade only because it falls in the range of 81 to 90. And for internal assessment, for example, there are subjects such as art education, health and physical education including work experience. 5-point scale is used. And there are only 5 grades here. That is A, B, C, D and E. Here E doesn't mean fail. It means the beginner. So if you get E by chance, then don't consider it as a fail grade. It is just a grade given to you based on your performance. Now what if a candidate fails in 1 or 2 subjects? If a candidate fails in 1 or 2 papers, the candidate may appear for the compartment or supplementary examination through the same school. It is held in July or August and the result is declared within a few days so that the candidate will not lose a year. Meanwhile, a student can take a provisional admission in a school or college based on provisional mark sheet. But if she or he fails in the first compartment exam, she or he may appear for second compartment exam which is held in March or April. But her admission in class 11 will be cancelled. If the candidate fails in 3 subjects, then the candidate won't be eligible for the compartment examination and will have to reappear for the board examination the next year and for all the papers. Now what is CGPA? It is cumulative grade point average. It is used to find out the average grade points obtained in 5 subjects. To more about its usage and calculation method, watch the video titled All About CGPA on CBSE Express because you will need to go in depth. At the end, I wish you all the best for your future endeavors and result. I hope you will achieve your goals. And don't forget to subscribe our channel CBSE Express. Thank you very much for listening carefully. Do subscribe our channel CBSE Express. And if you like the video, please push the like button.